I think you're going to like this. Alright, we're looking at, Neurocrine Biosciences, symbol NBIX. I'm taking a look right here, and I'm seeing what I believe would be a high and tight flag. And by that, I mean normal flags will have a small vertical move and then a consolidation, normally like a vertical move lasting a few days. This one, well, let's just say it went from the end of November to January. It was a month-long vertical move, and now it's consolidating. Now, let's just get a little volume on here so we could perhaps analyze that. There we go. And what are we seeing? We're seeing very, very sluggish volume in the pattern, and then suddenly it's starting to increase a bit. That's what I like to see before a stock breakout. So, what can we do to take advantage of this? Well, first let's give ourselves some targets. Where did this pattern start? Right down there. Go to the top, and this is what I like to see. Take the distance from the breakout point, and this is actually giving us a target beyond the scope of the chart, so I have to resize it. It won't even go any bigger. There we go. It gives us a target of about $11.32, which that's pretty good. I'll definitely take that. So that means about a 30% gain, and these patterns tend to act very quickly, so what are we going to do? Move into a 60-day chart, get this back to the size that I want it. Zoom in there. Alright, so what we're going to do, as you see, there's an earnings announcement on February 6th, so we might not have an entry opportunity until then, but in case it does break out, I'm seeing that there's significant resistance right above here, around 875. So we're going to be kind of conservative on this. Whoops, my bad. There we go. We can be conservative on this, or we can be aggressive. Conservative, you enter at $8.76 with a stop. Aggressive, you enter down at about $8.65. So in all honesty, at this point, if 10 cents is going to make or break the difference between a winning trade and a losing trade, go with the 8.76. So move this back up to enter at 8.76, and we're going to put our stop level. Let's see, where is the significant support level? Looks like it sits just at about $8.30. And actually, you know what? We can really play around with this one. Let's put it at $8.09. So stop 809, and we expect it to get to about $11.25, which is going to give us a reward of about, let's see, $2.49 reward. So reward $2.49 per share, and our risk is going to be 76 cents minus 9 cents, so that's going to give us, pardon my math, 68-cent risk. So risk equals 68 cents. We're giving this stock plenty of room to move in case it needs to breathe, or in case it wants to throw back. So 68-cent risk over 249. Divide the two into each other, and we get a risk-reward ratio of about, and this is just mental math, risk-reward ratio is about 3.85, which I will definitely take that as long as it's above 3. Okay, now let's take a look at probabilities. We're going to, well, actually fundamental things first. This is kind of cool. See this PEG ratio? That's price to earnings to growth. It's considered undervalued if it's below 1. I've never seen one that is 0.17. That's pretty good. Okay, so what did I want to show you? I wanted to show you the pattern site. This is Balkowski's site. Lots of his probabilities from his book are on here, and just wonderful sites. Helped me so much. Let's see. Chart pattern. We're looking for a high and tight flag. So flag, high and tight. Look at that. 90% meet price target. Best performing pattern out of all the ones that he studied. Throwback a little over half, so that should be a little annoying. Price should rise at least 90% less than 2 months. We got about 60 or 70%, so I'll take that roughly. And let's see. Tight flag, loose flag, tight flag. So we have a pretty good chance of making money on this one, so just get ready to trade it. And even if it's not a high and tight flag, according to his standards, a normal flag is going to give us a, let's see, normal flag is going to give us 64% chance of getting a getting our target hit. So we have a good chance of making money on this trade, so trade it.